Never settle. Always fight for this. Coming on the show in front of the Alma, New York training camp, Ohio. Monday, April 5th, 2021. 7:200 jump up one set. All right, 9:21 in the morning, 10:05 in the morning. After this, I'm gonna do some routes, probably trim the elbow sprints, cool down the bike right there, and like I said, hardcore abs did yesterday and more a little bit today, right there, and get through it, okay? Coordinating hearts. Now I'm marble. If you really told you can't do somebody that you can't do in sport, I said before, sitting in all the time. All right, stay hungry. It's gonna be short right here. Stay hungry, stay motivated, okay? People lose their hunger. They don't know what's going on with them. Lose their hunger when they make their top, when you think it's the top, and try to keep on going, but they lose it. Other people like me are hungry and humble. So people on the inside looking out, people like me are hungry, okay? On the outside looking in, we're hungry, all right? I'm hungry, waiting to pounce on that first opportunity I get in that league. It's no hope. It's not really being hope, it's fate. It's fate. I had that in 2019, in the middle of June. My hope and faith got rose 100 times, okay? And it tests you. Your faith is tested every day. My faith is tested every day. And no matter what people have faith tested in them, and they try to see what's going on with their life, they try to see what they're made of. And through the trials and tribulations, through all that stuff, I've been rock bottom, and it makes you a better person. It made me a better person, better player. I appreciate all of it, all the time. Appreciate that. Florida, Ohio, all over the place. You appreciate it. Stay hungry and relentless. You just eliminate all distractions, no matter what. Eliminate all that negative noise, negative talk. Okay? There's no hard work on here. You hear this as talk, but it's not. It's literally hard work behind all this. Okay? So be motivated to get you up, get pushed through, okay? But you gotta grind and be hungry to push you through, because people like that are running extra. Doing extra early in the morning, the heat, and the snow, and I'll always be that person. The heat and the snow, always be that person that's hungry. Motivated to be something, okay? Not just to be mediocre, be great. Go for the great no matter what. My son did, he played good, he played touchdown, you don't give it to him. IFL 2021, you don't shine stuff from the past. Don't think it's because you're a national champion, been a national champion, been on television, all that stuff in the NFL. I'm not done with this situation, okay? I'm not done. Have faith. It's on God when it is going to be, okay? Whether I play in another league at some point, if I get a chance, an opportunity, if it's still there, or if it's still there, and I get out there in the IFL, I'm going out there. I'm trying to be the best of the best, not just one game. Spokane, Green Bay, Arizona, everything, okay? Everything I can get to. Sioux City, everything. Sioux Falls, everything, okay? Always be hungry for your dream, hungry for the next level, hungry just to be motivated, hungry to be the best you can be every single day. Don't forget where you come from, okay? Never settle, always fight for this. No matter what, stay hungry. I can, I will, I must. Carnivore, be motivated, okay? Motivated every single day. Best ball I can be, best person I can be, my girl, best wide receiver I can be every single day. I'll be the best I can be out there. Get a chance, opportunity. For you inside looking out, feel like you're hungry, okay? The outside looking in. Stay hungry, stay relentless, no matter what. And I get there, all right? Been a champion. I can, I will, I must. April 5th, 2021. Keep fighting, keep pushing.